Hey, welcome back to the new series of Chapter 5 Organizing. In this video, we are learning about the meaning of organizing. By the way, this is OBC online business class. Subscribe for the more videos. Okay, let's start with this. After proper planning is done, management has to identify and establish a productive relationship between various activities and resource to implement plans. Or in the other word, organizing is identifying and grouping different activities in the organization and bringing together the physical, financial, human resource to establish a most productive relationship for the achievement of specific goals. For example, have you ever noticed how the college annual day or any other program which you enjoy, what goes behind the scenes? It's simple. The whole activity is divided into tasks or groups which deal with the specific areas like food committee or decorative committees or ticket committee, like that. They're all under overall supervision of an official in charge. This helps. Organizing is a process of identifying, grouping the work to be performed. That means defining and delegating authority and responsibilities, establishing a relationship for the purpose of enabling people to work most effectively together to achieve an organization goal. Or in the other word, organizing is the second functions of management. It establishes a relationship among the various factors present in the organization. It basically aims or brings together various resources like men, money, materials to establish a relationship among them and to achieve organization goal effectively. Click here to watch the next video, which is on steps or process of organizing. Support us by subscribing. Thank you for watching. See you in the next class. Bye.